Hello and welcome back to Move with us in this series. So in this video, we're talking about the final look of the apartment, how the things turned out after putting everything in that we owned. There's one thing remaining though, that's TV, and the side table is still at my parents'. We're just waiting for a good time to go grab it. Other than that, pretty much whole apartment is ready, and in this video you will be getting to see the whole apartment ready from the top to bottom coming up. All right, so let's start with the kitchen, which is her duty. She's the one that completely done it. I didn't help anything at all, so let's go.
So the kitchen is done. We have both the mats here. As you can see, it's more now organized. We have everything in the place. I even put the spices racks and the spices organizer, and everything here looks very organizing and amazing. I love it. It's a little bit messy here just because I'm just washing my dishes, but other than that, everything is on the exact same place that's supposed to be. And dishes, like here we have it in the rack, so it's organized in the place. It's easy for us to use. We don't have to open the shelf all the time. It's here in front of us, and towel, everything on the exact same place.
Now one thing I would recommend getting it, that will make the look of your kitchen much better. So I feel like the plate rack would be definitely one thing that will make it look better. There's one more rack we'll buy in future. It's the cup racks, and it has like cups one after the other all the way down. That just elevate the look of the kitchen and just make it a little bit more aesthetic. The other thing we also did, we bought these liners, which is very important for if you have like a very old type of cabinets, which we do. So we end up buying these liners. It's very good. It's non-slip, so it doesn't slip and it keeps it there. If you're anyone from my family, just skip this part until we go to the room. Now these plates are a little bit different. These are not the plates we usually put it in the kitchen. It's there for a reason. The reason is, I'll let Princess tell you.
We're making a surprise for the whole family, and I made some of the Egyptian traditional cookie that we make it usually in Eid al-Fitr, but I decided to make it in Eid al-Adha as well because last Eid I wasn't with them, so I couldn't make all of that. So I made it today and it was so much work. I'm gonna show you right now my cookie, and note down this is literally my first time to make them. Okay, so these are all Egyptian cookie. It's basically all our cookie. Nothing is different, but it's just like a different dough. Like this is, we call it sablé, and this is, we call it Lancashire, and this is, we call it Petit Four, and this is, we call it kahk, which is biscuit. This one, by the way, it's very traditional. Like it's since ancient Egypt. They used to make it in the events, but we still make it till this moment. I just want you guys to tell me how amazing that looks, because I'm so like excited to show it to the whole family. This is my first time. Looks amazing, right? Yeah, I didn't expect myself.
Looks like you actually bought it from outside.
Yeah, I didn't expect that I'm gonna make something like that. And tell them about the taste.
Yeah, it definitely tastes like if I were to taste it in a premium bakery. It tastes really good, and I'm really excited. So basically the plan is that we're gonna put these in 4 bits because there's 4 families. So 4 bits here, and put this into these 4 plates. Now these plates we'll put in a gift wrap and kind of make like that triangle shape, and on the top we're gonna ribbon it. You will see that in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned for that. But for now, this is what we have in the kitchen. Okay, what are we using this for?
It's like when we are cooking, and instead of just putting the spoon on this table and make it dirty, we just standing it there. So
yeah, so this is a good thing. You will just put your spoon here for a while.
Yeah.
Whenever you need it, you will take it out and use it. Now it's gonna get dirty. That's okay. You're gonna wash it and dishwasher
safe. Yeah, and it's very easy
to
to wash because this is silicone, so it's very helpful. I didn't expect it's gonna be helpful that much.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If we open the fridge, maybe it's something we can show.
I don't want to show my fridge. Can I put them back now?
Yeah. Now, while we were talking about the kitchen and amazing cookies, I'm going right now. I got very hungry for these cookies, because these cookies are just so delicious. The one thing I wanted in my wife is to know how to cook it. This is probably the biggest gift from God, that she knows cooking. Not just that, she knows the best kind of cooking.
Oh my god, that's good. That's just a big compliment. Thank you.
No, I'm serious. Anyways, let's go back to the video, because they'll be like, just stop talking about your wife too much. Alright, so I'll show you the staple of the house, which is the living room. Come. Astaghfirullah, my brain is a little bit not working properly. Okay, let's start with this. We got this Eid. This is for Eid, by the way, because we have Eid tomorrow. That's Eid al-Adha. That's for when you slaughter animals, so it's for that, and we kind of laid it nicely. And it looked pretty.
Yeah.
So that's there. Here we have a little bit of a speaker for us to do a little bit of party. We need to party the things
And
out.
Quran as well.
And Quran. So this is the couch I wanted to show you, because this couch, we bought it for about $100. Now this couch is probably not the greatest looking in terms of usage. All we needed to make sure is that it comes from no pet house. There's no pee on it, there's no cat, no dog, no nothing, and it's just from a smaller house, and that's exactly where we got this couch from. Now the couch may be in okay condition, but it's great and a great price for the time we need it for. For example, 6 months. Actually, maybe after 6 months, we end up throwing this couch out. Maybe we probably wouldn't need it. Why? Because it's so much hard to move these couches in general. So instead of taking this place to place, I'll just throw these out and buy the new couch, and the city will move in, because it's just not something I want to like take on for the rest of my life. Okay, so this is an investment, but make sure it's a short-term investment. Wherever you're living in, whatever city, it's going to be until that time period. Okay, you end up living there for 10 years. Okay, even 10 years they're going to be fine. But if you're moving, I'll throw this out or just sell it. I will not carry it around. Too much hassle. It's not like bad that I would want to carry it around. Okay, so this is the carpet we got, a small one. It elevates the looks of the house again. In the middle of the carpet, that looks just premium. If you're gonna put the TV here on this side, it will just elevate the whole house look. The other thing we showed in the last video is these paintings. Again, paintings are a big thing. This is free, we didn't pay for it of course, but look, it just elevates the look of the living room. It just makes you more homely in a sense. So yeah, that's about it for the living room. Let's go into the bedroom and we'll show you a quick overview of what the final things look like. Okay. Actually, you know what? I was thinking that I'm going to show you the bedroom. We are working on something crazy, so I'll actually show it in the next day because it's not done quite yet. So that being said, that is all for today's video. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, with new thoughts and new stupid things that we do in the videos. Anyways, until then, take care of yourself, others, and of this channel. Peace.